just take you guys along with me shoot the day. So what basically do today, I'm gonna just shoot some video. You understand? Me have some package I want for review, make some video on. So normally I don't do things like this. I normally take you behind the scene, but today when I actually see what I go on, cause I know that none of you guys would like to see behind the scene shoot of how I go to work, especially shoot those videos for my review channel. Now this video I will post actually on my vlog channel. Just I take you guys behind the scene because most of them might want to know what's going on and how I shoot those videos. So today just enjoy and just watch what I go on.
Take back your love from me, take back your respect. Make mistake, but the trust is the biggest. We don't talk to people, we talk with the spirit. Yeah, me heart up. Yes, I'm a change, you don't know nothing about me. Yes, I'm a skin, catch a fire, feel burning. You know, listen, the killers say be your one thing, I say your man knows it. Them sell out Jesus for silver, then this me for gross.
Yeah guys, right now finally reached in the studio, as you can see. Right now in here want some cleaning. You understand? So these are some package I have right now. Some want to do some video on. And yeah, this will be behind the scene. Show you guys what I go on. So this is the light I use. I have this for quite some time now. Need look ring light. I have these two box right here. Soft box. Not the best, but I actually get the job done. One more right here, so I look at chair. It's my table that I do most of unboxing on. And yeah, just a look behind the scene. Show you guys what I go on. Alright, so right now guys, finally relax right now. I go and set up the camera here. So basically I put this Sony ZV-E1 into my little cage right here. So this is a cage from small rig that I use to just put this inside, and the Sony ZV-E1 right here. Alright, I like to use this cage mainly because it's metal, so most of the time this cage right here transfer the heat from out of the camera. I normally use this on it, but since I'm not vlogging, I'm inside like this in a building, and I'm gonna use this cage, which you know the heat is transferred with this cage as well. I really don't have any proof of that, but scientifically, when you have a lot of heat, I have metal right here, I think that the heat will transfer into the metal, which attract most of the heat from this. I'm not sure if that makes sense, but just my idea. Now I'm going to attach my newer plate, which is on my tripod, onto the camera right here. I have two newer tripod. I have an extended one, which can do like overhead shot, and I also have this one right here. Now for like talking purpose like this, I will use this one, but whenever I do the overhead shot, I use other tripod. Just to shoot all these products. I have a solar light right there, battery charger, power bank, and this is my setup. So what I go on guys, camera right there for talking head, overhead shot with this right here, and this is the newer tripod. As you can see, mad. This muse, light right there, light right there. Yeah. So I'm actually finish shoot some right now, and what a refreshment. And gonna guys so I go on.
Black, brown, dark skin, ass round. It no matter which one, coulda you a side brown. Man, I travel with dirt in the city, flat crown. It to make a bag of sound right through it uptown.
Yeah, my people, welcome back to the channel, you know. And that day on the grind again. Don't know outside. Is it I go and put in work same way. So today, we're basically right now we are doing some work on the car right here. So what I want to install are these little mirror. I got these on Amazon. I'm going to do a review of it, so you guys can see that on my review channel as well. So we're going to install them. Also on this light right here, you can see that we have a little bit of color changing right here. So we have a product that we're going to test as well on this to see if it actually work. This one is a bit worse, as you can see the color line right here starting to change color. We are going to work on that as well. So stay tuned, showing you guys behind the scene. Gonna guys see what I go on. Right now we are going to set up the camera and thing, shoot. So here's my product right here. We want to test out. We have this all power power station. This as well. We have the grease cell same way. And guys see what I go on, man. So I could behind the scene, you know, showing you guys everything what I go on. Right now the rain cannot come in, even though it's a pretty day out here. Guys see what I go on. Yeah man, so keep it locked. Yeah man, I'm mashing this, you know. Out here in the jungle. Yeah. Also do it, get this custom right here. I'm going to put link for that in the description as well. So I never do much modification to this as yet. So basically install this as well. Like a spoiler right here. I'll also put link for it in the description as well. Right around, you know. Camera right there. Microphone and everything. DJI microphone. Sony camera. Lens. The lens right here. Sigma lens. 16 to 28. You don't know rocket already. Is it? I'll install them here now. Make you guys so go on. You have a newer tripod right there. Yeah man. Alright guys, so right now I'm end up. I have to change location because some of the stuff that I need to make this video, I didn't have most of the stuff, so I need like some water bottles, some water and those things. I didn't get to bring them with me, so I have to run back now, go out the road and see if I can sort it out there. Yeah, so alright, so look at you guys who are going to see me. Just one of them things there, you know. Alright guys, as you can see, right now I'm going to install step 1 onto the car right here. So you can see this little yellow thing. So I'm going to apply on this right here. As you can see right now guys, I'm rubbing it right here in a circular motion. As you can see guys, it's coming along right there. You can see that we have some color changers ready. Alright guys, so I'm starting this one right now. You can see this little bit yellow already. This one is not so bad as that one over there, so this will might not take much oxidation. So right now guys, I'm rinsing it with some water, doing some cleaning right here. You can see already looking a bit different. This one right here, different as well. Alright guys, so I'm going to step 2 right now. So I fasten the red this right here, and I'm with some sun right here, so you guys can see circular motion. So ensure that this step you have a lot of water on it right here while you're doing this. Alright guys, so we're on step 2 right now, and you can see that it's come on well. You can see right there. So what I use is some water on it, and I use this other sanding paper right here to give it some bit of rubbing right here. You can see that most of the surface is coming off quite fine. Alright guys, as you can see, the surface is looking really good right now. This one over here, you can see that looking cloudy. So I'm going to put another prep on it, which is step 3 right here. Ceramic clear coating onto it right here. And that's it looking so far. So I'm waiting for this to dry right now and show you guys the result. Yeah guys, I'm showing right now some result. So looking really shine. You can see that guys, shine. Right here, so shine. Alright guys, so I've completed step 1 and 2. I have rinsed off with water. This is how it look right here. As you guys can see. This one as well. So we're gonna move on to step 3 right now. To coat it, I'm gonna dry it first with some dry rag. And let you guys see. Yeah. Alright guys, so I've completed 2 car right here with this kit. Now, you recommend that it can use like 4 for 1 car and 4 for next car, but in this video, I do it on the 2 car. As you guys see, I managed to do all of this, and so it's something I will use and recommend. So I will see how long this can last and let you guys see. So if you guys find this video very helpful, remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, see you guys in the next video. Peace out.